Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Narwey. Sorry guys, I'm very tired. It is 4 AM. Okay, so today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Narwey EasyJet Airlines cabin bag. So the dimensions for this is 45, 36, 20, which is the maximum limit of the free cabin bag. So this is if you want a free cabin bag. So this is the one that goes under your seat. You can also get the large cabin bag size. That's the one you pay your 50 quid for extra. And yeah, but this exact one is the small one, which is under your seat, which is free. So it looks very small, but it's actually a lot bigger. Let's find out how big. So it's 25 liters. It costs £9.99 at the moment with a shoulder strap. Wow. Okay, then I'll just rip the whole bag open. Yep. Oh, the tag done. As you can see, it's been folded up nicely. Where's my shoulder strap? Is it inside the bag? Possibly. Because this ain't a shoulder strap. I paid for a shoulder strap. Hopefully it's inside the bag. Let's see. Give me a second, guys. And yes, as I thought, the shoulder strap is here. So they put it inside the bag. And one is there. Let's see. Where's it gone? So I believe, there you go. So you put the shoulder strap on like this. Where the fuck's the... How do you open this? Might be in a donkey here. There you go. Push it in. Yeah, there you go. So it's not a big shoulder strap, but it will do the job. But yeah, once you unfold the bag, it's quite big. Like it's decent size. It's not big, but it's not small either. But yeah, it's a nice color. You can also get this in black, blue, purple, any color you think of, you can get it in. Right, so Narwey. So you got 6-month warranty with this, plus a 12-month extension if you register online. That's pretty much it. Yeah, there you go. There's your colors. Right, so you got zip here. Very small compartment just to put whatever small things in there. Maybe toiletries. Yeah, I'd recommend toiletries, so when you need to give them in the plastic bag, easy to get out quickly. Or your dog passport, I guess, whatever. This is your main section. So the main section is quite big. As you can see, it's quite big. It's not small. It's not too small. It would probably fit in, I'd say, one pair of shoes, 2 pants maybe, or shorts, and maybe about 4 t-shirts and some toiletries and all that. That's probably what you can fit in here. And yeah, let's see. So you got the regular strap here. You just hold it like that. And then you got your shoulder strap here, the big one. It's not a very long strap though, beware of that. So it won't be too comfortable. You can also get shoulder pads for these, so it makes it more comfortable if you're going to be holding it for a long time. But yeah, some of the reviews have said if you put too much in here, make it too heavy, what happens is the fabric rips. So be aware of that. So that's why I don't recommend putting too much weight in there. Oh, that's so weird. Oh, you put your hand through. What's the purpose of that? I don't know. We'll find out, I guess. So yeah, it's a very good quality bag. For £9.99 you can't go wrong, guys. If you're just going on a budget holiday, go for it, guys. You're just going to be carrying clothes and stuff, go for it. Why not? So yeah, I'm going to probably put in sandals, my Nike sliders that I've been to every single country with me, so put them in there. What else? probably 2 shorts, maybe a swimming short, underwear, socks, all your normal shit, and then you got t-shirts, probably 4 or 5 t-shirts, and yeah, pretty much it. That should be alright, and this will be free to carry with because it's under your seat. You don't pay extra for that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.